Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Camry alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Finally, safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands before proceeding with any work. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner, which will allow you to easily remove the belt from the pulleys. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power wire attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts that secure the alternator, and you can then carefully maneuver the old unit out of the engine bay. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket and secure it tightly with the mounting bolts. Next, reconnect all the electrical wires and the main power cable, ensuring they are firmly attached. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's correctly routed and has the proper tension for optimal performance. To complete the job, reconnect the negative battery terminal and start your engine to test the new alternator. Observe your dashboard for any battery warning lights and check the voltage output to ensure it's charging correctly. Remember, regular maintenance extends your vehicle's life. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.